Hello everyone, this is section 5, drawing versus constructing. In the previous video, I showed you how to create a triangle, but I will create a triangle using the point tool in here as well, just to show the difference between drawing and constructing. So to make a triangle, you need 3 points in different areas, and you need to select these points. Then you need to click on the segment part. As you can see, we have the triangle. Now let me name it point L, M, N. Okay, that is fine. And I want to measure their angles by using the marker tool, just opening them, click and open. Now to measure their angles, you just click, you say measure, and then the angle for M is 47 approximately, for L is 93.81, and for N it's 38. Now if I want to make a right triangle, so this is the triangle that I drew, and I want to make a right triangle now. So I want one of the angles to be 90 degrees. So let's say I want this point M or angle M to be 90 degrees. So I am trying to make this 90 degrees a right triangle. As you can see from the angle M right here, it's not exactly 90, but it's 91. If I maybe play with this a little bit, that's 92. Then it's close. There you go. 90.01. It's not exact, but it's very close. Very close. So the other thing, it moves. It moves around. So when I move point L, the angle changes. So this is drawing, and it will be very hard for you to make a right triangle. Now I'll just keep this here. Let me see, I'll just move it right here so you can see the difference. Now I would construct a triangle by using this line segment tool. So I click here and there. Let me name it now and just click. So this is O and this is P. So I have to select this line segment as well as select, let's say, point O. And I have to go to construct. It says parallel line, perpendicular, circle by center plus radius. I want a perpendicular line for point O. There you go. This is a perpendicular line on point O. Now I want to create a line, create a point actually, on this perpendicular line. I select the perpendicular line and then I go to construct. And as you can see, the only option that I have is point on perpendicular line. It just gave me this point. Let me name this, click on it, Q. There you go. Now, as you can see, we have this. Now, if we want to make a triangle, all of OPQ needs to be connected. So the only part that is not connected is between P and Q. So I go to, there is construct, and then there's segment. As you can see, they are connected. And there's a dash line, which is that perpendicular line. Let me hide it by clicking and going to display, and it says hide perpendicular line. It's hidden now. Let me give the angles for you guys. No, not that, the other one from inside. Let me select, remove that. There you go. Now let me select on all of these, measure angles, and let me bring them right here. There you go. O, angle O, 90 degrees. P, angle P, that's 35, and angle Q, that's around 54. As you can see, I'm moving the triangle. Okay, this is the line segment, yes. This is, okay, line segment is just moving the whole triangle. Now, let me click on point P and move it around. As you can see, the angle stays the same. Point O, which is the 90 degrees, doesn't move. Let me do the same thing for Q. Now for Q, angle P and angle Q are moving, they're changing up and down. As you can see, I'm going, gets to 0, it's increasing. There's no angle in here, as you can see, and there you go. Now let me click on O, angle O, or point O. This is the perpendicular line, so that is why Q is moving with O. Nothing changes, no angle. Point P stays the same. The location of O and Q changes, that's it. But the angles are same. Now as you can see, this is the difference between drawing and constructing. For drawing, okay, I'm moving this, angles changes, you see, but I'm moving this line segment, the whole triangle moves around, locations are different, but the angle stays the same. So now even the point, if I click on point M, angles change, and I'm not gonna have 90 degrees anymore. But in here, yeah, point P and Q, the angles are changing, but not O. O is always 90 degrees because of that perpendicular line that is hidden now. Thank you for listening.